Guide to Python variables. In Python, a variable is used to store a particular value or data type, such as strings, numbers, or Boolean values. Variables act as placeholders for these values, allowing you to reference and manipulate data throughout your program. Data types in Python variables. Python variables can hold various data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. Each data type has different properties and methods that you can use to manipulate the data stored in a variable. Variable naming conventions. Variable names should be descriptive, using a combination of lowercase letters, underscores, and numbers, but not starting with a number. Python variable manipulation. Once you have assigned a value to a variable, you can manipulate that value using various operations in Python. For example, you can perform arithmetic calculations on numeric variables, concatenate strings, and access elements in a list. Understanding how to manipulate variables will allow you to perform complex operations and build more advanced programs. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering Python variables is key to becoming proficient in Python programming.